How much ammo you got, honey? Ain't got much ammo. Right in the side. Ow! Okay, how'd you get the kneecap? That's what I want to know. But you can... No, see, now you see my ploy. What?
I just want to get my slippers on.
It's about time she went her bag.
Oh, wait a minute! I would think hold still too. Are you mad?
I can see around corners. Oh.
Off the wall.
Lord, either you're brave or you're stupid.
Yeah, you ain't got much ammo. Now you're in the dark. Psychedelic.
I understand.
Oh shit!
Oh yeah, he told me earlier he's just a really expensive wood fighter. He's got no ammo.
I like this GoPro shit.
Man, isn't it so great not having fucking tenants anymore? I'm really like warming up to this shit pretty quick.
I like the fact that I can see you behind corners.
That's not fair.
What? It's fair. It's totally fair. 100% fair. I see no problem with this fair.
Rest, I gotta walk across the bottom of the stairs.
Yeah, I can see around the corner. Oh, and do that, Gord.
What's that?